Okay, so we have our cover that a lot of us have been writing our quotes on, and we have this animal cut out. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to use this special material called a Conte crayon. And this is like half chalk, half oil pastel. So it's not super chalky like chalk would be, because have you guys used chalk before?
No.
It's kind of messy. It's kind of messy and dusty. Well, this isn't as messy and dusty, but it still blends and you can still rub it around like chalk. So you can see here, I'm going around the animal with my Conte crayon and trying to just get in all the little nooks and crannies. Okay, nooks and crannies, here we go. All right, and then after I get around all the nooks and crannies, who's anticipating? Raise your hand. What do you think is going to happen next? What do you think? What do you think?
Take that thing off and we start coloring the inside.
Ooh, we could take this bird off and color the inside, or we could take and do the opposite of that. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to just go in here and we're going to do what's called, and this is kind of hard to do, so you want to listen, but I think you can do it, Carson. Okay, so what you want to do is you're going to color hard around the animal with the Conte crayon, and then as you get around the animal, it's going to get lighter and lighter and lighter because you're going to press less and less hard. So hard around the animal, and then you're going to gradually get lighter and lighter and lighter. Okay? And like the quotes and stuff that you have on your paper are going to be in your animal, and we're creating a new space. So there's two types of space. This is the positive space, and the space around it is the negative space. And we're encompassing that positive space with what's called a graded value. And a graded value is what I'm doing, dark to light. Okay, so then, let's say I have this all colored. Then you're gonna take your little blender stick right here called your finger, and you're gonna come in and you're just gonna blend it. See how that blends really nice? And then you're just gonna pull that out into the negative space. So I'm not coloring all the way to the edge. I wanna keep some of my light color. So I'm just coloring it dark around my animal, blending it, pulling it out into the negative space until it's light around the edge. And it's gonna look fantastic. Okay, so you're gonna have a little tray at your table with these on, and these are really easy to lose because they're little. And so you're gonna have the tray that you'll put them on, okay? Just like I have a tray right here. You're gonna put them in the tray on your table, and then once you're done, then we're gonna do something else, okay? All right. Thanks for being good listeners.
Thank you.
All right.